All right. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday. And yeah, you can see the action that we got going right here. I really do like this zone to take a trade from here. Even this bottom zone is good to take a trade. I put a .1 in there, or I guess that's $10 a pip right here. So this is a smaller position, and I'm looking to go heavier at this point right here. So if you guys want to put in a small position here, you can do that. Or if you just want to wait for this position up top, you can do that as well. Either one works. The only thing that I am worried about is, you know, yesterday I could have been done with this challenge. Shoulda, woulda, coulda though. We had the entry way in at the top. If you guys were with me yesterday, I hope you guys were able to hold your trade and not listen to my dumb ass. But 700 and something pips. Let me see how far it actually went. 725 pips we could have caught. Even if it was $1 a pip, I would have been happy with that. But, I fucked up big time yesterday. It is what it is. But the one thing that I'm somewhat worried about is it's come down for a while, but we have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, hopefully a lower high, and then the fall off. So I'm just looking at structure, hoping it goes about it that way. If we zoom out a bit and go to the hourly, you can see that this area right here that it's broken under is a strong support level, right? So this support level, I'm hoping it can be rejected and respected as resistance now and break through to the downside, and we can see it fall down to these next levels here, which is about 300 pips away, possibly, that we can catch. So it's just a matter of if price is going to go our way or if it's going to do some stupid shit, come up. We don't know. But I like the area. Let's see if we could go ahead and get some trades in right now. We're about 7.5 pips away from our entry from this bigger time frame. I'm sorry, from this bigger lot size to enter. You can see it's kind of rejecting and respecting this area. So yeah, let's see what we got. Again, I am looking for this. This is a 5-minute, so you don't see it there. There's a 50%, the 15-minute, 30-minute, where price is kind of respecting right now. But there's also this 5-minute golden zone, which is, damn it, it pretty much tapped it. Yeah, it pretty much tapped it already. So with the wick, it was a wick out. So we'll see if it comes up to this EMA. I'm just hoping from this area we can do about a 40 pip stop loss. From here, it's about a 67 pip stop loss. So we'll see what price gives us. And yeah, see if we get a nice entry right here. Put your shit on silent, yeah. And yeah, we got about 10 minutes till open. So let's see what the market gives us. Now, there is a possibility for price to actually come all the way up here, and reject this area again. So, I mean, technically, we would need a stop loss of about 100 pips, 110 pips. Now, if you're willing to risk that, you can risk that, So, and that's from this area. From this area, that would be about 122 pips. That's a lot of pips to risk, in my opinion. Please excuse the wind. It's windy out here in California, so all that you hear is just the wind going crazy. Man, that shit is going crazy though. So let's see what it gives us right here. You can see how price is somewhat respecting this zone already right now. But we got about 8 minutes till open, so there's a chance that what I usually like to see is that before 8 a.m. we'll see price down here, and then it'll make its way up at, before 6:30 a.m. we'll see that price makes it up here. Right at 6:30, then we take the trade. But you can see it's already kind of respecting this area right here, which is cool. But hopefully it goes our way the time market open happens. So we'll see what happens right now. The thing that I'm trusting is we do have a few confirmations for this trade. So we'll see if price gives it to us the way we want. Let's see. So I'm in the position here, a small position right down here. I'm down about 7 pips. So let's see if we get it the way we want, though. I'm finally gonna. Yesterday, actually, this whole week, I haven't been reading my rules, my confirmations. Look at this shit, reversal patterns. That kind of looks like that one right there, the equity. So if this one finishes this way, that'd be pretty decent to see it reverse. But we'll see what price gives us right here. That's the main thing, is what is price going to give us right here. Still looks like it's carrying itself up, but we do have about 7 minutes till open, so let's see what's what. You can see how it barely got just below the wick rejection. So let's see if we can get another one up in here and see a rejection come down. So let's see, this is the 15-minute 50 EMA right here. Yep, 15-minute 50 EMA. Just get it out the right way. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want it to be here in our face so we can see it. And so here's the 15-minute. Let's see where the 30 minutes at. Yeah, 30 minutes way up top right now. So again, that's why I believe there is a possibility it can push up all the way to these areas up top right here. Hopefully it doesn't, but there is a chance it can to reach up to this zone. Again, you can see rejection, rejection, so it can do that. Just got to be mindful of that. And oh, dang, hold up. See, it's getting back up to that zone. Now it is in that golden zone right now. Got about 5 minutes till open. Let's see how the 5 minute finished. 5 minutes actually finished pretty bullish. So let's see what's what. It's right up in that zone. It honestly looks pretty heavy to the upside. So I just entered a small position again. We'll see if it gets a little bit higher, and we could go from there. This is a key zone. The reason I like this area right here, it's in that support level. Hopefully it's turned to resistance now, right? Support, support, support. If you go across the board right here, we see this area. So I'm hoping it uses this zone as a, somewhat of a resistance level to fall off from. Right up in that area, kind of matches up with the golden zone. So let's see if it gives us what we want right here. Got about 3 minutes and some change till open. So let's see. Nice little rejection right there. So we shall see what's up right now. You can see the respect being shown. The only thing I don't like is it happened before open. See if it gives us what we want right here, though. It's got some things it has to break through. Obviously, you can see that there's an IOC right here that it can easily push up off of and make its way up from. So we could see it here, 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 here. Or what I'm hoping for is we just see a fall off. About 2 minutes till open. Let's see what the market gives us. Go time about 1.5 minutes. Did you hear somebody cough right now?
It's a thing when.
Is it? Oh, yeah, I was watching the video today. Yesterday. You're right, dog. I didn't control my emotions yesterday at all. So that's why I fucked up.
Yeah, you were just saying, no, no, dude, I'm like, come on, fool, come on.
Yeah, no, tomorrow it's got to be better.
Come on, Jay.
I mean, today it's got to be better. And then see what it gives us right here. Hopefully it falls off. It's got a big push up right now on the 1 minute. So we'll see if it gives us something here on the, hopefully a fall off right here. Hopefully we get a rejection here at this level again. All right, it's go time. Oh, shit. Damn. Holy shit. That shit's rolling. It's getting up to that support level right now, though. Damn. I got a nasty entry on the support level. Stopped me out of my bottom positions. I closed those out at 70 pips. Let's see if it can come down from here, though. All right, I entered some more positions right here up top, but let's see if it goes our way. That was a big push up. Hopefully we see the fall off that we need to see now. Lost about 1,500 on this big push up right here. Let's see if we get the rejection that we want. That's clean. Let's see if it finishes this way, though. Still 20 seconds left on the clock. So let's see what's what. Hopefully it stays down here and can match the energy to stay down. Let me show you what I mean by that. It's kind of pulling back up on us. See how it's kind of using this area of support? Let's see if it can break through here. I like the rejection. Let's just see if it can finish through. Again, it could pull up on us. I'm in right about here. Now my stop loss is going to be up here just because I know that there's a chance that it could push up through all of this. So let's see if, hopefully it stays below all of this, stays with the trend down. I'm going to try and trust that. Hopefully we see it fall. I don't necessarily like the way that thing's stacking up right there. Let's see. Oh, getting up to that zone. Damn, is this shit really about to blow past all of this? I'm gonna try and trust that it falls off right here. I don't see it. I mean, if it blows past these wicks, there's a good chance it just continues all the way up. So let's see if we get a rejection right here and a fall off. We got the 30-minute right here. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we get some fall off and we get our position right. We could go ahead and take this the right way. This thing is getting pulled to the upside like crazy. Let's see though. We got the tap in there. Let's see if this thing can fall out. Come on, make your move, baby. Come on, just fall off, baby. This is a key area. Let's see if we can break it down right here. Break through this bitch. I don't like that little rejection right here. Let's see if it can make its way back down. No way. Come on, dog. Hopefully it can make its way down right here. That's the goal. It's got to break through all this though. You see the 1 minute EMA? Hopefully we see a breakthrough. Can finish the right way. Come on, man. Come on. Get down there. Get down there. Really? My shit freeze right here? What's going on? Oh, there it goes. The goal is to see it push through here, right? It has to break through this level right here. This is a key level. If it uses this as support and just comes back up, then we know that there's a possibility it just pushes up on us again. But if we could see it break through here and this 15-minute turn bearish and come down this way, there's a good chance it comes down. So that's what we got to keep in mind right here. And first TP would be somewhere around this little ILC right here. So hopefully we can get it. Yeah, let's see if the market gives it to us.
That shit stomped out all my fucking stop losses.
Like you put them there on at your stop losses?
Yeah. I went like 40, 50 up, stomped everything out.
Where did you have your stop losses at? Did you have them at the right area?
Yeah, if I had them all fucking at 700.
At 700?
That shit went up 60 pips each, fool. Because I'm at the now.
Oh, you had bigger positions in there too, huh? It has to break through right here. Come on. Turn bearish. Yeah, see, like, if you see how it finished right here on the 1 minute, it's not that great. Hopefully we could see it fall off, but you could see it using this as support right here. This isn't that great of a look right here, but hopefully we can see it break through, turn bearish, and make its way this way. The 5 minute looks decent, right? If it finishes this way, hopefully we can see it finish through all of this.
Before I had my trades at like 690. No, 590, 619, 599. That shit flew past all that shit.
It's not breaking through here the way I wanted to. Fuck. See if we get that fall off right here. This is a key area, right? Damn. Come on, break through this motherfucker right here. Wow. See, I don't like how it's rejecting this area right here. We need it to finish way more bearish than this. Way more bearish.
That was it when it hit those 700s.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it when it hit those 700s. I'm out. I can't do no more trades.
All right.
Shit stomped me out like 8 racks. That's alright though.
Wow. That should miss my little TP right here. We'll see what it gives me right now. I'm still down 1,400 for the day. All right, first TP is coming up right now. I just took some profit right there. Now I have my position in. We're up about 80 pips. I'm up 660 on the day. We'll see if this thing keeps making its way down. I got a $1,500 floater. Let's just make sure that it doesn't have to push down right here. We got to understand that and know that it doesn't have to push down right here. So let's see what it gives us right here. Has to break through here. If it breaks through here, I think we could see a nice push down, but it has to break through here. You can see how support and resistance is formed right here. Again.
Fool, why do I always do that?
What?
Like, I always do that, fool. If fucking you go, yeah, it's gonna be right here. So I put in the position at like 620. Then it keeps going up. Keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up. And I put another position, like fuck, it just keeps going up. All the positions I keep putting in for sales, it just keeps climbing, 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 getting higher.
Because what it's doing is it's taking it. So
See,
that's why.
No, but it's my fault because I can't wait because I don't want to miss the trade.
That's FOMO.
I'm like, fuck, you know what I mean? So
That's a certified trading fear, dog. It's the fear of missing out. FOMO. Fear of missing out.
Yeah, I should have just waited, Dick, but wait 100 pips to go up.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck?
So look it. That's why I said, Dick, when I was talking, I said we're gonna put in small positions here, right? Bigger positions up here, and we got to know that there's a chance that it gets up to this purple area, right?
Yeah.
So once we know that, these small positions, I lost 700 and 700.
That's why I fucking always lose my money, Dick, is because I'm always like, fuck, it keeps going higher, higher, and I keep putting different positions in different for sell, and the whole time it's buy, going up.
Well, it's not
Not
buy,
buy, but
yeah.
it's fucking going up, going up, going up.
Yeah, so that's the biggest thing, like, and that's why I always try to explain it, like, look, if we're gonna get in here, we got to be small here. We got to be small, because if you're big here, that's when you know there's a good, like I said at the beginning, right? 140 pip stop loss. That's why we need smaller positions right there. Because with the 1.0, yeah. See, and those are unnecessary losses right there.
Like sell 6 because I'm like, fuck, homie.
Yeah, those are unnecessary losses. So like the biggest thing that I would tell you guys is like at this point here, you never ever ever want to put big positions in knowing that it could push up on you. And if it does, just take a small loss. You don't have to take a big loss, you know? Damn, look at that push up. Hopefully he uses this as resistance again with the golden zone. Oh my god. No way. Ah, you fucking bitch. Wow. I mean, if it comes up on me, I'm gonna just take my L. I'm up 1,400 for the day. I had another 2,000 floating right there, and that shit's all the way back to 300 bucks. I'm only about 50 pips away. Let's see if it makes its way down right here. Hopefully it does, but if it doesn't, we know there's a good chance of it coming up. So just remember that, fool. Like these right here, you don't have to be big on every trade. You know what I mean? Don't. Seeing a nice little rejection right here. Hopefully we see it make its way down. Still 17 seconds left. So let's see how it finished. 3 minutes and 17 seconds left on the 5 minute. Let's see if this thing can turn bearish and make its way back down. Like if it can wick out of here and turn bearish by the time this 3 minutes is up, that'd be smooth for this position. But has to break through all this. We got EMAs right here now. Let's see if it breaks through. So yeah, I did make it down to about 605. The 15 minute looked good. The last 15 minute that finished. We're at the beginning of the next 15 minute. I would say we need this 5 minute to go ahead and do its thing down here. So let's see if it can finish this way. break through these EMAs. We'll see how it works. I got about $700 floating right now, $1,400 closed. Um, so we'll see what's what right now. Yeah, the way that looks, it could come up on us. So just be mindful of that. I'm gonna hold my position. I don't care if I get stopped out right now at break even. If it does take me up, then that's just what it is. So what's up, babe? I know I was looking for it yesterday and I couldn't find it either. I'm not sure, babe. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm not sure where I put it. I'm serious. I don't know where I put it, baby. Check in between the couch cushions. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure, baby. We'll see. Okay. All right. I'll call you. I'll be up there in a little bit. In a bit. Love you. Wow. If this shit breaks through here, I'm gonna be pissed, but we'll just call it a day after that. There's no need in over trading. Just leave it at that. Yeah, you can see the 5 minute the way it's looking to finish right now. It's fully engulfed to make its way back up. Again, we could see a huge retracement up here. It's possible. Um, you can see how price is starting now. Now, if it uses these zones as resistance, I mean, as support, like how it is, now it could definitely make its way back up and do its thing. So we got to see it finish through here, and then we'll be able to see a better finish for us. All of this means nothing if it doesn't break through here. It has to finish through here. See that? That's not going to cut it because now it could turn bullish and make its way up. So just how it's doing. If it comes up to my position, we're about 30 pips away. I'm going to go ahead and pull it, and we'll just call it a day. Fuck it. Damn. There it goes. Seems like it wants to stay up here, but let's see if it can fall off. Again, if you guys trust the trade, you could go ahead and re-enter, but it's a risky trade. Still holding. I'm in at 701, so I'm about 30 pips up. That was a big rejection right there. That was nice. Um, yeah, it's just staying up here though. That's the only thing. But I like that rejection on the 1 minute. You can see how it looks. It looks clean. Hopefully it continues down. And we're still in the trade, so we're up about 35 pips. It's got to break through this, right? Has to. Okay, that looks like it wants to continue its way down, so let's see if it does. There's the fall off. Let's see if it can break through here. It hasn't broken through here yet, right? These EMAs. Shit, son. It's fucking windy out there. See how I used it as support again? Man, this wind ain't no set. You think this is 7 miles per hour, this wind?
15.
Damn, look at that. Motherfucker. Well, if it comes up, I'm going to just let it hit my break even. If it doesn't, let's ride this bitch out. So let's see. This line right here is key. You can see a bunch of rejections right here. Hopefully it holds it. Doesn't have to, but hopefully it does. Come on. 5 minutes left on this 15-minute. If this thing could do this and turn bearish, we're in business. But it has to come down here and finish bearish in the next 5 minutes. So let's see if it can do that. Looks good. Let's see if it can continue its way down. Still using this area of support. We're up about 440 pips, 41 pips. It's not breaking through. Come on, man. Yeah, yesterday was probably one of the more valuable lessons I learned if you guys were on here with me. I let my emotions get the best of me. And I think it was really just not trusting myself, not trusting the strategy, not trusting the trade. And those ones hurt the most. So like for yesterday, that was something that shit ate at me all day. Couldn't believe I let the trade slip, and even the position I had, I'm like, how the fuck did I let that one go? It's crazy. It's like it wants to make it through here, but as long as this thing is still respected, it doesn't need to. Mm, let's see. Could continue down. I like that it was bearish, but it doesn't have to. Man, yeah. The 5 minute looks good. I like the 5 minute, but if it keeps coming up, then it keeps coming up. You see how the 5 minute finished in this fashion? We got a huge rejection off of the zone. Perfect rejection, right? Rejected out. Then we had an engulfing candle. Didn't engulf it all the way, but the next one did. Not only did it engulf, these two candles engulfed the last four candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, which was good. Then we had this push up, which wasn't good, but then this 5 minute right here came back up, retested this zone, right, and fell off, finished bearish. So hopefully, there's still 3 minutes left here. Hopefully, this thing turns bearish and makes its way down here and finishes down here. Because if it finishes down here bearish, then we're in business for it to continue to come down. But if it finishes like this, then it's just going to stack up and continue to make its way up and probably retest this area up here before falling, or just blow through everything, because what goes down must come up. What comes up must go down. So I like that rejection. Let's see if it can keep it. Still 30 seconds left. 10 seconds left. See if it could at least give the impression it wants to go bearish, because that's not going to do it. Damn. Yeah, that's not it. It's definitely not it. Come on, man. I like that. Let's see if it could finish that way. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna give it this last minute right here, 6:59, because this is gonna tell us a lot how this 15-minute finishes right here. This is gonna tell us a lot. So let's see if the 15-minute comes up here, then we know that okay, there's a good chance that this thing can continue up. If it finishes like this, because now this is fully engulfing, right? Rejections at the bottom, fully engulfing. So we got to see how this plays out. You guys can see how my shit looks, maybe. Hopefully you can see it. Um, yeah, we just needed to fall off, so let's see if it does. That's not going to cut it, in my opinion. Um, that looks like it wants to come up, but whoa, shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This thing could fly up. Oh, we got news right now at 7, so this thing could. Did your guys' shit pause?
Hmm?
What the fuck? My shit is like frozen.
Mm-hmm.
The fuck? What's happening? Is it coming down?
It's dropping crazy.
But it's still using this area of support right here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if it really wants to come down or not. The news just came out. Let's see what the news is talking about. It's not breaking that support. Today, February 10th. Consumer sentiment was better than they expected. Inflation expectations, 4.2% is what they got. I don't know if that's what they wanted. Previous 4.4. Oh, so inflation expectations are up from the last inflation expectations. So maybe that's a good thing, maybe that's a bad thing. I'm not too sure. But did that jump? Didn't really move though. It's still in the zone. Um, Now it's coming up, which I think maybe 4.2% doesn't sound too bad to the 6% and all that shit that it was. Um, I think that's what it was, right? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it might come up on us the way the 1 minute looks. But let's see. Let's see if we can hold this, use it as resistance, and come down. If not, it's coming up. Just pull our trade. See, it's rejected. I have a line right here too that's just getting rejected. You can see how it's coming down, rejecting, coming up. See if it can make its way down. 15-minute didn't finish great in our favor. 5-minute didn't either. But let's see if it can make its way down. If it can finish this way, that's great, but it has to finish this way. If you want to take some profit now, you could go ahead and take some profit. I just closed some profit just to secure some. That put me at 1,700 for the day. We got 900 floating. Is it? My shit froze again?
Mm-hmm.
The fuck?
Probably the Windows thing. That shit's dropping. Fuck it. Took a major loss today. Major loss.
8K?
8K. Should have just waited.
It's a big rejection off of this ILC in the 15 minute. Right here. Boom. You can see how that ILC was rejected. It's back on top of the 1 minute. But let's see if we can see this thing ride down. I secured profits to the day to just get me to 2K, and then we got $465 floating right now. If it comes up on us, that would suck, but it is what it is. Wow, that shit really engulfed right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm thinking 4.2% doesn't sound bad. Like just listening to it, you know. Um, I don't know what that means though.
Means that the market, look at that shit. Shit's all the way back up.
Oh yeah, look at that shit. I got $200 floating now. Damn, $100, hundred something dollars floating. That shit is flying up. Might come down again at this level, but shit, who knows now? That shit might just keep going up from here. The way it looks. Big engulfing candle. In 2 minutes, it took out everything. Everything that it had given us. In 2 minutes, took that shit out. So I put my stop loss in the profit 3 pips. If it comes up and takes me out, it takes me out. Hopefully it falls off, but yeah, it doesn't look like it's falling off. Yeah, the way that looks is crazy. I'm guessing it was the prelim sentiment. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that shit's climbing right now. Stop me out at break even right now, and we're done. So
Damn.
that's crazy. Look at that retracement. What the fuck?
And
I mean, it could fall off again, but I don't know. The way that shit's moving, maybe the news is good. I don't know how to read the news right now, but it touched that area again and respected it. Damn. What the fuck? Look at that rejection. I think sellers tried to come in right now, but it's a battle right now between the sellers and the buyers. See, as soon as it tapped it, rejection. That's crazy what it did right now. But look, you can see here, I think it does look like it's coming up. You can see here the rejection off the 5 minute, right? Rejection off the 5 minute, engulfing candle, engulf this one, engulfing. Next one might come back and retest this zone. Oops. Might come back and retest this zone right here, use it as support, and then continue to make its way up. I could definitely see that because look at how big it's engulfing right here. It just looks like it wants to. I think maybe it's just a retrace that it's doing right now, because it took a lot from us. So you just always got to remember, whatever it takes away from you, it has to give back. And not literally, like if it takes your money, it's gonna take your fucking money. But
damn.
If it all this that it took away from people, right? It has to give it back. Now this area up top right here, this might be a good area, but then we have a small break of structure with this high breaking this high, right? But this is a golden zone ILC right here up top. It's about 20 pips away from that, 30 pips away from that. Let me see. Yeah, about 30 pips away from that golden zone ILC. We got the 30-minute EMA coming up. Damn, that shit's flying. I put a little trade in just because I like that zone up here. Now it can blow past it. I'm going to have a very, very tight stop loss. Very tight. And it's a small position. I don't got a big position in there. I'm not risking a lot. Very tight stop loss. I'm going to have it just above these wicks. Probably about 50 pips. We'll see what it gives us. Yeah, 40, 50 pips. It could blow past all this shit. I'm risking about $500 right now, so we'll see what it gives us. That is a big push up, though. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, if this holds up, then obviously it looks like it's gonna come up. And you can see how it kind of used this area as support, kind of made its way back up. So if it turns real bullish, I'm like, ah, fuck it, you know. And we'll see what it gives us right here. Still 30 seconds, so this doesn't mean shit, right? Because it could still finish way up here. It has to finish like this. So I don't like that it did it so early in the 1 minute clock, but we'll see if it gives us something right now. This ain't even where I'm at. Where is it? Sorry, guys. I like to take this all the way down, truthfully, like all the way down, but it doesn't have to come down. Did it break structure, actually? It did, huh? It broke that high. Yeah, you see how it's just getting pulled up right here. 10 seconds left on this candle. The way it looks getting pulled up. Has to stay bearish. If it doesn't, and that's not really showing me anything if I'm just being honest. Yeah, that looks like it wants to come up. Big push, big climb. Not really breaking it. It has to break below here, and it's not really doing that, so we'll see what it gives us right now. Like that. 10 seconds left. Let's see if it can finish like this. Like exactly how it looks. Oh shit. Hold on a second. Yeah, that ain't great, but it's good. Yeah, I'm right back up. I'm only up about 4 pips, 8 pips, 7 pips. This position is even right. Fall off, man. Yeah, I don't like that finish. Still early. See if it can break this. There's something right here that's holding this thing together, so. Doesn't want to break through it. Now it's coming up. Yeah, this looks like it's going to blow past it. I'm going to just close my position, take a $300 loss. Yeah. That put me at 729 for the day, or 1729 for the day. I'm going to just leave it at that. I'm not sure that price is going to stop here. You know, look at that thing. Whoa. Where is it going? Could be coming up top right here. Could be. There's this little IOC right here. But either way, I'm gonna just call it a day, and yeah, no need to overtrade. Just now we just enjoy the weekend. Fuck it.
Mm, horrible.
You can see how price is just on top of here. Now I think it could reach this level up top right here. I think it could. All the way up here back to the daily, and before coming down and doing whatever it needs to do. I think that could definitely happen.
Where's the daily at?
The daily's like 200 pips away. No, 100 pips away. 100 pips away. Yeah, about 100 pips away, I'd say.
Oh, I'm gonna try to show you climbing up there.
Mm-hmm. It is climbing. I think it could make it all the way up to the daily. This is this zone right here. Now we could probably see it be used as support right here off of this area, and then push up and make its way up top. And technically, I guess it's still in here. I have been noticing that. Let's see how this finishes right here. Yeah, that 5 minute does look strong. Still looks strong, and you can see exactly what I said. Kind of use this area as support, and you can see it kind of making its way up. Use it as support, wicked out, and now it's starting to make its way back up. It looks like.
What if they come?
But anyway, I'm gonna check up out of here, guys. You guys have yourselves a good one. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Hope you guys were able to, learn something, make some money, whatever it may be. And you guys have a good one, man. Thank you.